Tan tananan tan 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 tan. Tangina mo. Medyo well secured. Wow, 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 wow. Dikit pa rin pala. Tan tananan tan 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 tan. Tab M8 HD. You can really move the shit. Okay, throw it away. Okay, what the fuck is this? It's the receipt, maybe the receipt. Okay, okay, sealed. Looks like real. Looks like true. Not a stone or rock. Okay, this must be the warranty. Okay. Sealed. Mediatek blah blah blah. 232 L-Tae coal iron gray blah blah blah. Got the plastic. Okay. Okay, this the okay, let's have a full view, full look at the back first, the box. Okay, nothing else. Okay, have to break the seal. Okay, seal is broken. And you pull this like this. Tanga, tulak mo ganyan. Yan. Push it from the top. Yan. Tan tananan tan 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 tantanan mo na yan. Okay, this is the fucking tablet. Look at that. Okay, let's see the what the hell does the box contain. Okay, we have the SIM card ejector tool bullshit. We have this Lenovo authorized service centers blah blah blah. We have the manual that we don't actually read. Ang manual na hindi natin talaga binabasa. And the other side, oh, we have the charger. This is about what? What is the rating of this charger? The rating? Hindi, dito tanga. Ayun. Let's see if we can see that. Let's zoom in. Okay, it's a 5 volts 1 amperes only. Not a fast charger but a slow charger. And we have the is this types this is a micro packing USB. See that? That's a packing micro USB. Micro packing USB. Okay, that's about it. Okay, and the tablet, we open it. Tan 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 tan. This is the power button. Okay, where is the down? We have the micro USB port. and mic. The other side we have the yun, SIM card, memory card tray. At the top we have a single speaker and earphone jack 3.5mm. We have the low resolution camera. At the bottom we have the specs, the NTC blah 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 model blah blah blah. Okay, we have the Dolby, bagay Lenovo to eh. And okay, let's try to open it up.